Parang I want to live in Albay just so that I can listen to him talk every day.
We'd like to ask if anyone from the audience has a question
Sir Chief talaga.
for Sir Chief.
Sir Chief posting Facebook
The young
posts.
man, right there.
Hello. Hello. So you mentioned earlier na yung isa sa mga goal ng management and disasters to make the management built into the community. And also I observed that it's also built in the government process. So from zero built into having a built-in process within the community, how long did it take for Albay to have that?
Kasi yung ginagawa ng Albay, since 1994, ang pinasok ko na lang yung doktrina. Bakit ba ginagawa nyo ang ginagawa nyo? So, naging mas makabuluhan sa pang-araw-araw nilang ginagawa, kasi may climate change. So, may mga bagay pa tayong makokontrol. Kaya pala to tinuturo sa atin. So, yung pagpasok ko po, marami na sa kanila na talagang napaka-well-trained po ng mga komunidad ko. Yung iba hindi behave, pero karamitan behave. I would say, boss, so 1994 plus, I would say that on the 12th year, they made it. Takes 12 years. Kaya po yan. 2 presidente.
Anyone else?
Question here. When is your next
May
gig?
sasabihin, alalahanin nyo, walang bayad to, ha?
We appreciate the love, sir.
Kaya huwag kayong mamimili ng tanong.
Sir, good afternoon. I'm Ronel from Lyceum of the Philippines University. And yung tanong ko po, sir, is, but before that, I'd like to commend the kind of system that Albay has under your leadership. And I think it really deserves to be the role model in terms of disaster risk management. But sir, especially with all those maps, with all those Facebook pages, especially your Facebook page, but seeing the whole picture of this disaster plan, sir, paano nyo po ini-integrate doon yung indigenous peoples in Albay? How do they participate in this disaster plan, especially the Agta Dumagas of the Albay region?
Sumusunod po kami sa batas. May 5 po kaming special DRR. Lactating women, ang ibig sabihin niyan, may breastfeeding station. At may mga special nutrition sila. Elderly, children, persons with disability, tsaka yung IP, essentially, we allow them to organize themselves. Ang core intervention namin sa mga IPs, kasi they would tend to have the same language, same culture, and we want to optimize that basis for ethnic unity para po mas mapabilis yung mga kailangan. Halimbawa, So essentially, they are organized unto their own. So yun po ang intervention namin sa indigenous people. Pero nandun po yun sa mga batas na nakalagay. Kaya sumusunod lang kami sa batas. Actually, sa lahat sa inyo, kahit yun lang po ang kahit yun lang po ang matutunan natin lahat dito, pag-uwi. Follow the law, Republic Act 10121. Okay na lahat. Ang problema, maraming di sumusunod. Makati nga, inaunahan pa ni ERAP. Because they don't have their disaster management office. Based sa Republic Act 10121. Naunahan pa ni Mayor President. Ay, nasa Makati tayo, no?
You can fly back to Albay, sir, after.
What?
Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Any other questions from the audience?
I'm so glad nobody asked me about things I don't want to be asked.
Okay, one last
we have one.
question.
It's his chance.
Kagalang-galang to.
Hindi po ako congressman. Sir, first, thank you very much po dun sa very informative at saka very entertaining na presentation. Sir, just to understand more, no, it seems that you've already perfected yung disaster preparedness. Is there any next level or prevention na pwede gawin? Like, makakagawa ba tayo ng mga
Nandun ako doon eh. Gusto ko magbayad yung may kasalanan.
Tama yun,
Kasi
sir.
lahat ito, ang may kasalanan, yung mga mayayamang bansa, dahil siya nag-create talaga ng greenhouse gas emission. Alam mo, kung susuriin mo ang Pilipinas, dapat maningil ng halos $100 billion dahil sa nawalang oportunidad sa negosyo at sa ating ekonomiya. Wala silang binabayaran. Economic lang. Magbayad kayo. Kaya nandun po ako ngayon sa Green Climate Fund dahil yun po ang pinaka-basis kung bakit po may Green Climate Fund para po yung adaptation malagyan ng programa. Kaso pag upo ko, puro mitigation. Okay lang yun dahil talaga duty natin yun. Dahil wag na tayong dadagdag sa problema ng climate change. Pero yung mga may kasalanan, nung mga panon from 1850, mga lola pala natin ang ginagahasa, ni wala tayong ginagawa. Ay pwes ngayon dapat mayroon tayong magbayad sila. Tama ba?
Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
A final round of applause for the incomparable Governor of Albay, Joey Salceda.
He's also performing comedy sets starting next week.
We'd like to introduce our next speaker. Eileen Apollo de Jesus is